Hello students. So let's try to solve one very nice problem from IIT JAM examination, and this is from the mechanics, and this problem is from Galilean transformation. So it's a very fundamental question. So you cannot guess this type of question. You have to solve with a very basic concept. So what is given? So it is given there is two particle M1 and M2 is there, and there are two frame. One frame is S, another frame is S dash, where S dash is moving with respect to S with velocity v. So we all know about the Galilean information. This is my S frame, and this is my S dash frame. And S dash frame is moving with respect to S with velocity v in constant speed. So why it is Galilean? And there are two particle. So what is given? That momentum of a and these two particle have mass m1 and m2. So momentum of first particle, so with respect to s, with respect to s, it is given momentum of first particle is p1, momentum of second particle is p2, and with respect to s dash, the same particle s dash, with the same particle have momentum p1 dash and p2 dash. And if you will see the four option, you have to just check how the masses M1, M2 and P1, P2 and P1 dash, P2 dash is associated to each other. So that is all about the how they are Galilean invariant. So we have to talk about this. So this is for mass M1, this is for mass M2, and this is for mass again M1, and this is for mass M2. So this is the story. We all know that velocity of a particle with respect to s is equal to velocity of a particle with respect to s dash plus velocity of s dash with respect to s. So we know all these story for any particle. So let us write it for the first particle. So suppose first particle has a velocity that is u1 with respect to s and u1 dash with respect to s dash. So what will happen? So this is u1 is equal to u1 dash plus v. And we have to write each and everything in form of momentum. So what we will do? We will multiply with m1 on both sides. So what we will get? m1 u1 is equal to m1 u1 dash plus m1 v. So what will be this value? This value is equal to p1 is equal to p1 dash plus m1 v. Similarly, we can write it for the second particle also from the symmetry. So that value is P2 is equal to P2 dash plus here you have M2V. So now what we have to do, we have to just go for information with P1, P1 dash, P2, P2 dash with M1 and M2. So what we can do, we have to remove this particular thing. So what we will do, we will multiply this thing by M2 and we will multiply this thing by m1 and subtract it 1 to second. So what we will get? We will get m1, sorry, this we will get m2 actually, m2 p1 minus m1 p2 must be equal to m2 p1 dash minus m1 p2 dash. So what we will get? We will get this sort of symmetry is going to preserve. So this is option number A. If you will check the option, so option A is correct one. So it's a wonderful question. It's a wonderful, but in the examination pressure, you have to think so very basic, and the only thing that you have to know that about this one. So if you know this one, you can easily manipulate. You can write the speed in term of momentum and each and everything. You can manipulate that very smartly. So this is very smart question. I will tell you into this JAM 2025 examination. So students, try to do this question with yourself. If you have any doubt, let me know.